Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're given a graph which is showing the number of customers per hour at a coffee shop. We're asked, out of the following intervals, in which of them is the number of customers strictly decreasing and then strictly increasing. So the number of customers is marked in the y-axis, so we're looking for when the y value is decreasing and then increasing. So let's look from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. So on the x-axis is time, so 9 a.m. is right here, 12 p.m. is right there. So for the first 2 hours, we are constant, and then the y value is up, so we're increasing, and then we're constant again. So decreasing, then increasing, that's not that. From 12 p.m. to 2 p.m., we are constant, and then it drops, and then it's constant again. So that's also not that. From 2 to 5, we start here, and then we are decreasing until this point, and then the y value starts increasing all the way to 5. So from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m., we are decreasing and then increasing. So C is our answer. And 3:30 to 6:30, we are increasing and then decreasing. So it's the opposite of what we want. So C is your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.